Hello people, welcome back to Invincible 86. Namaskara, namaste, vanakkam. Myself KM Naidu, I hope you're all doing good. And so today I got a new action camera and it's Campark V30. So this is the very first action camera of mine. So let's quickly unbox and see what it has got inside. Okay, so the package looks very premium. You can have a look at it. And Campark V30 offers waterproof case with 20 megapixel Wi-Fi, image stabilization, and it comes with a touchscreen capability. And also it offers 40 meters waterproof with the waterproof case, which is in here, and image stabilization and 170-degree wide angle, and then 4K Ultra HD video capabilities. And it has got, you can probably make out here that this model is Campark V30, displays with 2 inches of LCD display, lens with the 170-degree wide angle lens. And video resolution, you have nearly 10 varieties of video resolution to choose from. And I don't want to go through it, and probably you can have a look at it close by. And the video format is MP4, and video compression is with H.264/H.265. Okay, and photo resolution, you can choose 20 megapixel, 16 megapixel, 12 megapixel, and then 8 megapixel, 5 megapixel, 3 megapixel, and then VGA. And also it has got working modes like normal video, slow motion, loop recording, time-lapse video, normal photos, burst photo, lapse photo. And it has got image stabilization, which is built-in gyroscopic image stabilization. Okay, you can probably have a look at it here. Yes, built-in gyroscope stabilization. Which is micro SD card, which is not included. Of course, we need to purchase a new micro SD card, and the battery capacity is 3.7 volt with 1350 mAh battery. So this is good enough for about 45 minutes to 1 hour video, I believe, with continuous running. So hopefully it does a good job. And language, you can choose from English, Chinese, Japanese, Korean, Russian, German, French, Italy, and then Spanish. So here it also mentions that 20 megapixel, 40 meters waterproof, Ultra HD video capability, that is 4K, wide angle lens, gyroscope, image stabilization, and Wi-Fi connectivity. So let's check out what it has got inside. So this is how we just take it off the cover, and you have a box inside. Just slide it out. And now gotta remove it from here. And there are a lot of stuffs inside. And this is lens cleaner and a couple of straps and tether. Okay, and then these are the straps for probably chest mount, or you can probably use it for your wrist as well. These are a couple of straps for mounting purpose. And now let's put it out. And I got here 2 batteries. So let me just quickly arrange everything. Okay, now you can see all the accessories, including the action camera with the water case. So the very first thing is an action camera. Okay, Campark V30, 20 megapixel, 16 megapixel, 12 megapixel, 3 megapixel, and then VGA. And also it has got working modes like normal video, slow motion, loop recording, time-lapse video, normal photos, burst photo, lapse photo. And it has got It's with the waterproof case, so let's remove it from the waterproof case. So here's the camera. Beautiful, lightweight, and the build quality is really good. Looks premium, but of course this material looks like fiber. The complete camera is made out of fiber. Okay, and here you have power button, and this is for functional buttons, and this one is a shutter button. I mean, to click photos or to start recording. And here it looks like a speaker grill and a small LED light, and here it's 2-inch LCD display, and here you have a tripod. You can probably fix this in a tripod, and here it's a battery compartment. Okay, and it's much lighter than any other action camera, so it's quite light. So it's really good. And you also have a micro SD port and USB port and HDMI port. So you have both the ports here, and also for the micro SD, as I mentioned earlier. Yeah, so this looks really pretty, and small little camera. Of course, I'm excited. It's a very first action camera of mine, so yes, I'm excited to use it post lockdown. So currently in Bangalore, it's locked down for next 14 days. I mean, it should be till 14th of April, I believe. So I'm just expecting lockdown to get over so that I can test this camera. Yep, so, and this is the waterproof case. Okay, let's keep it aside. And also this includes handlebar mount. Okay, and then this is a J mount, and then this is a strap. So this, you can probably use it for chest mount or your wrist mount. So wherever possible, you can probably use these straps. And here you have lens cleaning cloth and 2 adhesive stickers, and you have a couple of straps and tether. A tether, this is to be used to secure your action camera. And now comes 2 adhesive mounts. Okay, so you can probably use it on your helmet, the chin mount purpose, or the side mount, or on top. You can use these. And here you have a tripod mount. Okay, and this is the only single with the screw long arm clamp, and you have 2 short arm clamps with the screw. Okay, and 1 back door. This is not completely waterproof. This can be used when you use straps. So you can insert the strap from one side and take it out from the other side, and you can probably use it for those parts. And the best part of this Campark V30 is you get a charger. You don't need to buy it as an accessories. This includes with the package. So you have a charger. Okay, you have a charger, which you can charge both the batteries together at a time. And this is the best part with this camera. You have two batteries. You don't need to purchase it as an accessories. So that's the primary reason why I bought this camera, because I don't need to spend much on accessories. So it includes everything together. But this is it, and why I chose Campark V30. Campark V30 is a 4K Ultra HD action camera, as I mentioned earlier. All I paid with the lightning deal on Amazon, say about 8,490 rupees. This is what I paid. And for an action camera with 4K capabilities and nearly 10 options, to resolutions to choose from, and it's simply amazing. And it's one of the best action camera out there in the market, and I cannot definitely compare with GoPro, but from the budget point of view, definitely one of the best action cameras out there when you compare SJ or any other action cameras. Yeah. So this is it. I will not be able to give in-depth review about it because I'm yet to use it. Once I start using it, and I'll be able to give in-depth review about it. Okay. Thanks very much, and if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and share with your friends and colleagues, and help me grow this channel. Without your support, there's no Invincible 86. Thanks very much for watching. Cheers now.